Today, we're going to show you how to add a blog to Bubble using DropInBlog. Once you're logged into your Bubble account, you'll automatically be met with your apps page. If not, from the menu on the left, simply click on Apps over here. In the apps page, find your app and click on the hamburger menu icon beside it. And in the slide-out menu to the right, click on Launch Editor. And the editor will be opened in a new tab. To add a page in the editor, on the top left, click on this drop-down. And in the drop-down, click on Add a New Page. In the pop-up window under Page Name, name your new page. We'll type in blog to be simple. Now from here, you can click on the Create button on the bottom right of the pop-up window, and this will give you a page that is completely blank to which you have to add a header and a footer. You also have another option, which is to click on the drop-down menu under Clone From here. And in the drop-down, we'll see the pages that we can select to clone our new page from. This method is what we'll be using for this video tutorial today. We've gone ahead and created this page template here, where the page only has a header and a footer. So we'll choose Page Template and click on the Create button on the bottom right of the pop-up window. Once in your new page, you should add an HTML element to your page. To do that, on the menu on the left under Visual Elements, scroll down and select HTML. Drag and drop it in between the header and footer elements of the page. A pop-up window to edit your HTML element will appear. Click on the Layout tab here because we need to adjust some settings for how our blog will look. So here next to Horizontal Alignment, select the middle option, which will make it centered. Now here next to Make this element fixed width, untick this box. And next to Maximum Width, click on the drop-down to make it 100%. For the minimum height, we'll make that 500 pixels. Then you can go back to the Appearance tab on this window. And in this input box here is where you'll add your code that you need to copy from your DropInBlog's code and layout page. We already have our DropInBlog's code and layout page opened in a different tab, so we'll just go there. In your DropInBlog's code and layout page, scroll a tad bit under Blog Code. Under Step 1, click on this Copy Code button to copy your code. Then go back to your Bubble Page Editor tab, and in the pop-up window, paste your code in the input box. Do the same for the second line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page, and under Step 2, click on the Copy Code button to copy your code. Then go back to your Bubble Page Editor. Then paste your code next to the first one in the input box in the pop-up window. Once done, close the pop-up window, and you'll see the preview for your new blog page. The next step is to publish this page, so click on this Deploy button on the top right of the page here, and you'll come across this pop-up window where you should add a brief description of the changes you've made. We'll type in Added a blog page. Then click on the Confirm button. After that, you'll be shown the link to your live site. Click on the Go to Live Site button, and you'll be taken to your site's homepage in another tab. Once the site loads, since you need to be in your blog page, in the address bar, edit your URL, add a /, then blog, and hit Enter to go to your blog page. And there is your new blog page. The next thing you'll want to do is copy your blog URL. So we'll just click on the address bar, copy your URL, then go to the settings page of your DropInBlog account. Once there, under blog URL, paste your URL. Then click on Save All Changes. And that's how you add a blog to Bubble using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!